Hi, I'm Jeffrey Harlan and founder of the Dreamline program, and I want to welcome you to this amazing gallery installation that's made possible by the Metropolitan Bakery and in collaboration with Olney Charter High School. The Dreamline program invites students to share their dreams with the world through art, words, and technology, and that's what you'll see surrounding you here. Our featured collection is from Olney Charter School, and this is Joy, who's from Olney Charter School.
Hey everybody, I'm Miss Joy. I teach Art 1 at Olney Charter High School, and this has been an amazing opportunity to collaborate with the Dreamline program and taking my students' work from Olney Charter High School and kind of bringing it into a global context and sharing dreams with the world in regards to future aspirations, career, and it's been a really great positive impact in my community. So these are some pieces for my students in my Art 1 class. You can tell the topics vary in content, in specificity. Students worked really great with fibers and to be able to add to them with marker, with a pencil, in sharing their dreams.
Also in this collection, we have a special collection from Veracruz, Mexico, where there's a program that is being sponsored by Home Depot there that's working with university students in the Veracruz area of Mexico, which is a fairly remote region, or the regions where they're working are remote. These banners were created by students at the Intercultural University in Veracruz, which focuses on underserved populations, and they're all digitally tagged. So if I use my phone, I can go up to this one and just read the QR code, and the QR code will bring me to a digital version of the same banner. And what that also does is it allows me to hear the actual voice of the student who speaks their dreams out loud. It also has a translation of the words, if I don't speak Spanish. I want a world without corruption. The worst enemy of your education is corruption. I want unity with families. A house divided against itself cannot be sustained. And that's from a student in Veracruz, Mexico. So along with these are other dreams from students around the world accompanying Olney Charter, Veracruz, Mexico, others from Shanghai, China, Port-au-Prince, Haiti, and other places that all show the common language of dreams that students share regardless of their circumstances and places of origin. It's so clear that there is so much in common among these dreams, and when you come down to here to see it in this beautiful space, it wraps you up. So that's really interesting.